Hello my friends, Katie here, and today's free flow, which is a blend of EFT tapping plus energy release, is all about letting go of irritability, frustration. Maybe you feeling just really tightly wound and like you're gonna explode at any minute, and you just need to let some of that go so that you can feel nice and calm and center once more. So if that sounds like you and you'd like to feel more at peace and not so angry and irritable, let's go ahead and get started. So find a quiet place to sit. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. If you enjoy my channel and want to dive deeper, please check out the Mindfully Me Studio, your all-in-one place for personal growth and emotional well-being. Housed here is my complete collection of videos and tutorials, including tapping meditations, workshops, 5-minute power tappings, and free flow routines, all thoroughly organized for easy access. Whether you have 2 minutes or 30 minutes, you'll find a variety of techniques to fit your schedule and keep you consistent in your practice. Designed to help you release stress, build confidence, and take charge of your thoughts and feelings. Here in Mindfully Me Studio empowers you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Download as an app for easy access and also enjoy a 7-day free trial. We are going to begin with some tapping. All you need to do is tap where I tap and repeat after me. We're tapping on meridian acupressure points, and by tapping on them, we are allowing our nervous system to know that we are safe, and we're also releasing any type of blockages or stagnation that we have in those meridian channels. So go ahead and tap where I tap and repeat after me. Inner eye. Even though my patience is worn thin, I feel overwhelmed, frustrated, irritated, like a wire ready to snap. Every muscle in my body is tight with tension. And honestly, I just want to scream and shout at everyone. Because every little noise is like a rush to my nervous system. Sending prickles of irritation throughout. And I can't seem to break free of it. And even though I feel like I am losing control of my patience, acting irrational and angry, and I don't like this feeling. It's like a villain or a monster has taken over my body. And they are now running the show. And they are mean and angry, and no one wants to be around them. But I choose to overthrow this villain monster. To let go of this anger and frustration. Starting right now. Squeezing the wrist 3 finger widths down, taking a deep breath in. And an exhale out the mouth. Letting it go. One more time, in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Letting it go. Doing a little bit of clearing work, letting go of that emotion, that anger, frustration we're holding in our body. Standing wider than shoulder width, bringing our hands into our tiger claws. We're gonna scrape away that heavy emotion of anger and frustration. So you're gonna breathe in, stretching tall. Exhale as you come down, bending at the knees, scratching your fingers down like you're scratching it down, the energy of your body. And then coming back up. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling back up. So really visualizing here, just scraping away this irritability, this tightness. And breathing in some calming and cleansing energy. Just a few more times. Using the breath to really rid of it. One more time. Giving yourself a little shake. Really further releasing back into your body. And we'll do some more tapping on the inner brow. I choose to release any trapped emotions remaining in my body that are causing me to feel this way. Allowing them to melt away. Whatever it is that's weighing heavy on me. Whatever it is that's causing me to feel this weight of anger. I choose, because I have the right, to release it. I no longer need it, so I choose to let it go. Deep breath in, breathing in calm and peace. Exhaling out, exhaling any anger or frustration. One more final breath in and out. Beautiful. Let's finish up with just further releasing any of that anger that we're storing within the body, especially if it's been a while that you've just been feeling this way. We're going to go ahead and release it from our liver. Our liver is what holds on to anger and frustration. So our liver located on the right side of our body. We're going to go ahead and use healing sounds. Healing sounds send a vibration through the body to that organ to kind of like shake out any of that anger that we're holding in and allowing us to infuse it with a different healing antidote. So feeling peace and at harmony. So what we're going to do is go ahead and lift your arms up, stretching to allow energy, to allow space within the right side of the body. So inhaling as you stretch to the side. And exhale, you're going to bring your hands down and we're going to let the healing sound is, it sounds like this, shoo. And when you let that sound, you want to let it vibrate, feel it kind of like vibrating through you as you say it, so you extend and accentuate that noise. So inhaling, squeezing to the right, going shoo. Again, inhaling, stretching. Shoo. Inhale, stretch, releasing anger. Shoo. You can visualize pulling in a green orb, a green ball into your liver, infusing it with that feeling of peace. Again, stretching. Shoo. One more time. Shoo. Holding your hands over that space, visualizing that green light infusing into the area, melting away anger, frustration, allowing yourself to feel at peace, more like yourself, less like the monster. And exhale out. We're going to finish up with one final thing. You can go ahead and find a place to sit. just to finish this off. Hopefully you can still see me down here. We're gonna go ahead and sit, and you're going to press on this area between your big toe and your next big toe. And you're gonna squeeze right in between here. This is our liver point 3, and it helps to release, again, that anger and frustration. So just holding onto those points. Just a nice squeeze, just for a breath, just to close out this routine, this session. Using your breath. You can do this a few times. Again, always nice when you're working with the breath to really visualize, you know, some white light, green light, anything coming in, really cleansing. And then purging through the breath. One more time. And let yourself relax. So hopefully, pop back up just in case you can't see me down there. Hopefully that helped to let go of some of that weight and that binding feeling that you have when you're feeling so tightly wound with frustration and anger. Repeat this as often as possible. It's not always a one-time thing and then you're fixed. Especially if you're holding a lot of anger and frustration within your body. Sometimes it takes a routine, or it takes doing this weekly, daily, whatever it is, to kind of just get you in that place where you turn off that need to always jump to that space and really can cleanse any energy that's really stagnant that's causing you to feel this way. So hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. Share this with others. Do what you can. I appreciate it always, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.